So we have a bakery outlet store. Looks like we are more than bread. Check out all the sweet savings inside. Let's go check it out. So here are their hours. Let's go see. Hi, how are you? So excited. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. All kinds of, they got chips and bread that you would find at your regular grocery store for $1. All multi-grain, underpriced. I think you can find you a bread outlet in your area. This is in my area, 85048, right on the corner of Chandler Boulevard and 54th Street. All my favorite bread right here at a discount. Look at that. $3. Got your Raisin Bran. 2 for $5, guys. 2 for $5. Are you kidding me? Wow. Ah, candies too. They got candies and health bars. Get your snacks. Get your snacks. They've got snacks too. Who would have thought you can find these snacks at a bakery outlet? Look at this. And pepperoni sticks. Holy Christmas, look at that. Let's see, what's the price for these? $7. And there's 16 ounce. I never heard of that brand though. Bridgeford Summer Sausage. Oh my gosh. And look at all your, satisfy your sweet tooth, guys. At a bakery outlet, can you believe that? You can take these pies and heat them in the microwave and add a few scoops of ice cream and you got it going on. So all these different types of rice for $12. Soup mix. Well, you can add them more to just soup though, make different things with them. Cookies. Cookies. $5. Oh, they have canned goods too. Hormel chili, that's my favorite. Look at, so you got $3.50 for a can. I don't know in price comparison what that would be from here to Walmart. These are Bush. I'm gonna go do a price comparison. And then I got corn here also for $2.50. Honey, marmalade, syrups, preserves. Saltine crackers. I think I'll take these. I'm out of crackers right now, so get those. I love me my crackers. All right, guys, you can check out an area. See if you have a bakery outlet in your area. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more. Bye. I'm gonna have my crackers.